Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a wash day because I need to wash my hair. I got things to do this weekend and my hair needs to be refreshed. As y'all know, once we, get into this bun phase of hair, it's like, all right, it's time to wash because I done put gel and stuff like that. And I have kind of stopped putting gel in my hair. And once I put it in a bun with gel, there's like no turning back. There's nothing for me to do after that. And so yeah, it is time. But before we get into this wash day, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to this channel for more content like this. And yeah, so let's get started. So the products that I am going to be using today is the shampoo, the Refresh Shampoo Cleanse and Restore by She's Made by Brittany. I am also going to be using Camille Rose Algae Renew Conditioning Mask. I tried to look up which one would be best. I am also going to be using her She's Made by Brittany Essential Hair Oil. For my comb, I think this is the brush. I'm going to be using this brush. This works wonders for my hair. I think it was like a year or two ago I bought this brush because I was like, I need something to like help me untangle my hair or detangle my hair way easier than a comb, and this has been a lifesaver. So yeah, to wash my hair, scrub my hair, I'm going to be using this scalp massager scrub. And yep, so let's get right on into it, shall we? Okay, so right now I'm just drenching my hair. My hair is very high porosity, so like it absorbs water pretty quickly. However, my hair can get like quickly dry because of how quickly it absorbs the water, which can be extremely annoying. But yeah, right now I'm just trying to drench my hair, trying to get out all of that excess gel that I said that I had in my hair from the bun earlier. So now I am going in with that She's Made shampoo by Brittany. And I'm just going to make sure that I get like as much as I can because my hair is very itchy, and this scrubber, I'm telling you, works wonders. When I can't even remember who I saw first using this, but I was like, okay, I have to get it. And honestly, it's way better than using my fingers. I much prefer it. I have very itchy scalp, and it's very easy for me to get all of those itchy spots and not miss it. You know, like when you go to like a hair salon and like they miss your itchy spots, and it's just like, oh my god, please get it. This scrubber gets everything. So yeah, I really like it a lot. Now I'm going in with the Camille Rose conditioning mask. Well, the only reason that I don't have the She's Made mask is because they were sold out, unfortunately. So we'll see when they're back in stock. But for right now, I'm using the Camille Rose, and I absolutely love the smell of this conditioner. And also I'm using my unbrush. The only thing I would say before is that I forgot my hair clip, and so I was not able to put my hair in sections to do this, which was very annoying, but I managed to try and do it in sections, little by little, twisting each section up, and yeah. So right now I'm just going in with a little bit more conditioner just to replace whatever I may have wiped off with my hand while brushing it. That's the amount of hair that came out. Keep in mind, I don't like brush out my hair at all during the time that I'm washing it, so yeah, that's not too bad. I just went in with the She's Made by Brittany hair essential oil. Also, I wish I would have used this because it caused a lot more slippage, so I wish I would have used it before I brushed. I am right now about to go underneath the conditioning cap, which I kept on for about 40 minutes or so. Yeah. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like before I wash out the deep conditioner. It feels super soft, really warm to the touch. And now we're gonna wash it out and see, and then twist it up and stuff. All right, so this is my hair now. Still feels super soft. I am going to wrap it in this towel, have it dry out some before I style it. And yeah, we will be back. So for reference, once again, this is how long my hair is. And yeah. Here I'm just twisting my hair. I like to braid the root down about like a quarter to a halfway so that my root remains tight and it doesn't shrink up as much because my hair already shrinks up a whole lot. And so I'll braid from the root down and then I'll just twist the rest. So this is the finished product. We'll see how it comes out in a couple of days, as I'm not taking out until like 2 days from now. This is the remainder amount of hair that came out while I was doing my hair. And yeah, so guys, this is the end of the video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below. It really helps with engagement. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like content like this and you would like to see more. I post hair stuff. I will be posting makeup stuff, and I also do a lot of quick fits, shorts, and also outfit videos as well. So if you like that, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and also check out my Etsy link down below where I sell bracelets, and I also will be starting to sell some resin stuff as well. So yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.